What's up, friends? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful in your kitchen with super easy and delicious recipes. Today, I am going to take this yellow cake mix and I'm going to turn it into the most amazing coffee cake ever. It's going to be layers of tender, moist cake with then layers of cinnamon, butter, sugar, pecan swirl, and it's all going to bake up to perfection. We're going to top it off with a little powdered sugar vanilla icing. Incredible. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, an afternoon sweet treat with a cup of coffee. So stick around today. We're going to make yellow cake mix coffee cake. You want to start with a 9x13 pan and prep it really well with some non-stick baking spray. Then you just need a box of yellow cake mix. Any brand will do. I was using an Aldi brand this day and it worked great. So you're going to divide that yellow cake mix into two portions. That first part is for the brown sugar pecan streusel. You're going to mix 2/3 cup of that yellow cake mix with half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, yes, 2 tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. You want to stir that together really well so the butter mixes with all the dry ingredients, and then you can just set that to the side. Now take the rest of that dry yellow cake mix, and you're going to pop it in a bowl with 1.5 cups of sour cream, 3 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then either with a stand mixer or with a handheld mixer, you're going to blend that together until it's fully combined. You don't want to have any dry bits of yellow cake mix left in the bowl. That's your batter. Now it's time to layer it up. In that prepared 9x13 pan, you're going to spread half of the batter mixture into the bottom, spreading it evenly. And I find that a offset spatula helps with this process quite a bit. Then you're going to take half of that streusel mixture and sprinkle that over top of the batter. Then we're going to finish with the rest of the batter. Do the best you can spreading it. It does not have to be pretty. I promise it will bake up delicious. Now top it with the rest of that brown sugar pecan streusel mixture. And we're going to take this, pop it in a 350 oven for 30 minutes until it is golden brown and the center is completely set. All right, the cake is baked up perfectly and my whole kitchen smells like cinnamon and sugar. It smells so good. So what I'm gonna do now is let this cool and we're gonna make the powdered sugar, vanilla, butter glaze that's gonna go over top. You're going to mix 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Just stir that together really well until it's fully combined. I wanted a little bit more powdered sugar in mine so that it was a better drizzle consistency, and that's exactly what you want it to look like. Now make sure that your coffee cake is totally cooled and then you can drizzle this glaze over the top. I like to take a spoon and just let it run off the end of the spoon all over the cake. I generally don't use the entire batch of the glaze. You can actually serve it on the side if you're having an event or a party or something and people can drizzle a little extra on themselves. So I really hope you give this cake mix coffee cake a try in your kitchen and it helps you feel like a success. Join us next Tuesday for another recipe video. And until then, have a great week ahead. See ya.